Hi everyone and welcome. So recently I have received this 7-inch portable monitor from the Elecrow, and trust me, this is very useful in the everyday life as well as my single board computer projects. Okay, so along with this 7-inch portable monitor you will also get few other things. Okay, and we can see that you will get USB to micro USB converter, HDMI to HDMI converter, HDMI to micro HDMI converter, and as well as you will get one USB to micro USB converter. Okay, these two are the stand for this display. Okay, and this one is the USB to micro USB cable. You will also get one user manual if you want to integrate this display, or you can say this portable monitor with different single board computer. As well as you will get this screw and spacer to place your Raspberry Pi or any other single board computer on the back side of this 7-inch portable monitor. Also, you will get this HDMI to HDMI cable. Now here you can see on the back side of this portable monitor, you will have two HDMI connector. Okay, so if you're placing your single board computer here, then you can connect via this HDMI, and if you are using it as an external monitor or external display, then you can use this HDMI port. Now for the touch input or touch exchange, you can use this two micro USB connector, and if you don't want to use the touch input, and if you just want to power up this display and you want to see the display, okay, then you can use this HDMI and you can use this power port. So this is the micro USB power port to just turn on this display. Now here you can connect the fan for your Raspberry Pi, and here you can adjust the brightness and volume, okay, of this display. And you will also get two speaker, okay, which you can stick here and you can use to listen the music or to watch the movies. And here is the 3.5mm jack port for the earphone if you want to listen the music, okay, via the earphone. Now let me show you the speaker which you will get with this portable monitor. So here is the speaker which you will get with this portable monitor. Now let's open this. Okay, now here on the back side you can see we have the glue to stick this speaker on the back side of the display here and here. So this is all you will get with this 7-inch portable monitor from the Elecrow. And we have already created few videos in which we have used this 7-inch portable monitor to integrate with the Raspberry Pi, Orange Pi and Banana Pi as well. Okay, so this is very useful in terms of connecting with single board computer, as well as I can connect this with my regular PC, or you can say my laptop, as an external display along with this to stand. Now if you're interested in this 7-inch portable monitor from the Elecrow, then I will put the purchase link in the description of this video. Okay, so you can go there and you can purchase it. Now I hope everything is clear, and this is what you will get with this 7-inch portable monitor in this box. So here is the box. So here is the portable monitor box, okay, from the Elecrow. So I hope the doubt is clear regarding this 7-inch portable monitor from the Elecrow. Now let's meet in the future video with more product unboxing and more product reviews from Elecrow. Thank you, goodbye, and take care.